How do I convert this list of dictionaries to a CSV file? I have a list of dictionaries that looks something like this. What should I do to convert this to a CSV file that looks something like this?
In Python 3 things are a little different, but way simpler and less error-prone. It's a good idea to tell the CSV your file should be opened with UTF-8 encoding, as it makes that data more portable to others, assuming you aren't using a more restrictive encoding, like Latin 1. Note that CSV in Python 3 needs the new line equals parameter, otherwise you get blank lines in your CSV when opening in Excel/OpenCalc. Alternatively, I prefer use to the CSV handler in the pandas module. I find it is more tolerant of encoding issues, and pandas will automatically convert string numbers in CSVs into the correct type, int, float, etc., when loading the file. Note: pandas will take care of opening the file for you if you give it a path, and will default to UTF-8 in Python 3, and figure out headers too. A data frame is not the same structure as what CSV gives you, so you add one line upon loading to get the same thing, dataframe.to_dict records. Pandas also makes it much easier to control the order of columns in your CSV file. By default, they're alphabetical, but you can specify the column order. With vanilla CSV module, you need to feed it an order edict or they'll appear in a random order, if working in Python and LT 3.5. See Preserving Column Order in Python Pandas data frame for more.
This is when you have one dictionary list.
Because at user and at Dixik asked for help with UTF-8, here a variation of the solution by @Matthew. I'm not allowed to comment, so I'm answering.